Krista here. Today I'm going to introduce this MIG-120 gasless welding machine. This machine features a two-color and unique plastic shell design. This machine is with LCD screen. This bottle is for welding mode, flash MIG, lipstick, MMA. This button is for 2T and 4T. This one is for the diameter of flash core wire, 1.0 and 0.8. And we hold this button for 5 seconds. We choose SYN. And this one is for the voltage, 5 turning. This one is for the current adjustment. The handle is with two-color fishbone pattern. It has a powerful heat dissipation function. This one is wire spoon for 1 kilogram flash core wire. This one is plastic wire feeder. This bar is lightweight and compact design. It provides consistent, reliable wire feeding and high-quality welds, providing that great power can come in a small package. As we can see, this machine is 220. We also can do 110 or dual voltage, 110 and 220. This machine is exported to over 60 countries around the world, including the United Kingdom, Italy, Germany, Poland, Russia in Europe, and some countries in the Middle East and Southeast Asia, and so on. It's our best-selling product. How could you miss it? Come and buy it. My name is Krista. Please contact me if you are interested.